Hello, Michael Finley of Michael Finley's Dollar Tree Hauls, Vlogs, and more. Well, I decided not to make the salmon patties today, but I'm gonna make something a little bit more simpler and quicker because, well, not that the salmon patties aren't quick, because they are. I just don't feel like opening cans and stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna start off with. I have the oven preheating at 425. I'm gonna do two Texas toast. Okay. Now this is a mock knockoff of chicken Alfredo. Okay, didn't have broccoli, and so I'm gonna use Knorr's Alfredo broccoli. And it's got Parmesan and Romano cheese flavored sauce. So, that. And the star ingredient is I always buy these John Souls Foods fully cooked chicken breast strips with red meat rotisserie seasoned. So I already took it upon myself because of time and the heat in this kitchen. Where is it? This freaking light don't stay. I do that, I hope. So I pre-sliced up because I bought 2 packs today, or yesterday, I'm sorry. As you know, no room in here, so I gotta be transferring stuff here and there. There's a cut up. Yeah, it stinks, but stinky sometimes is delicious. Make up my own word. Delicious, you know what I mean. There's 2 tricks that I like to add to this. I do put a little bit of garlic in it because these are the flavors I like in my food. And again, you like my sporting hair? So right here I have, well, you can't see. Let me bring the phone down. I hope it doesn't flip over. So see if you can see it. That way I don't have to take time because again, diabetics, you don't need to see my mug. You know what I look like. Okay. So I'm just going to put a little bit of, do I need to bring it down more? Yeah, I think so, huh? I like being real. I'm not no fake shit. Oh well. So, before it starts spitting, as I call it, or splattering, let's take just a little bit of oil. That's the time on there because the previous video took forever to upload. I'm just gonna pre-open the pasta. Now this milk is hot enough with the butter and the water, so I'm gonna set it aside. Set it. Okay. I'm carefully gonna put in the cold chicken that I had sitting in the freezer. Get all the goodies out. Right away start stirring it because you don't want it to stick and you don't want it to burn. And since it's already pre-cooked, you really just have to heat it through. See, even though I turned off the burner for this, it's still slightly bubbling. And remember, we all have flavors that we like. If I had fresh broccoli or frozen, yeah, I'd be putting that up in here too. Let's put time on the 5 to 10. The reason why we don't want to put too much oil is because we don't want it greasy, because I do have butter in that fat already. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Carefully, I'm going to pour this without stirring it, because it's going to get stirred then. Okay, now you bring up the heat again. So that's what the inside of your pot will look like. A little bit of residue behind. But it's not scorched. Don't tell me, oh, his food scorched. No, it did not. Now, because the sauce in there is going to be the thickening agent, damn it. What I like to do at this point is, before I put in the 2 bags of the pasta, I get a little bit of parsley, because you want color to shine, not shine, pop. You don't put too much. Now, if you want flavor of parsley, you do fresh. Dry won't give it too much of a flavor, but it'll give it color. And again, it's a matter of your preference of how you want stuff to show on your food. So just gently stir it, okay? Because again, the heat of the milk and the water, and it's 1.5 cup water, half cup milk. But since I'm doing 2, well, the 1.5 cups of water turns to 3 cups, and the milk for half of 1 pack takes a cup of water, cup of milk. You all know what I mean. It's hot in here. I'm sorry. Whenever I say it's hot in here, sometimes I forget, but as those of you that have been following me since 2019 with my previous channel with the cooking, when it's hot outside or in my apartment or both, I get sleepy because it affects my diabetes, and I get sleepy, and sometimes I'll fall asleep for 4 hours. Sometimes I'll be asleep until early the next day. So, you know, I don't want to be falling asleep while I'm cooking, because this is a gas stove. It's open flame. I don't think it'd be too good of me to be falling asleep with an open flame. So then pepper, again, to your liking. What is this? Oh, it's 8. I might as well just let it go the long time upload, right? Okay. Now that it's getting warmer, I'm gonna turn down the heat, and I'm gonna pour in the packet. And I like to go, you don't have to do it round and round like I did. I like to do it because to me it's fun. I'm playing with the food in a way. Yeah, amateur maybe, but again, it's my channel. I'll do as I want. Okay? I'm not saying that to be a sarcastic ass or anything. I'm not being sarcastic today. Just whatever comes out of my mouth comes out of my mouth. And again, as it does a little bit of simmering, your other action. And again, same thing, stir it. See, I like lemon. Don't get me wrong. It's when I have to have it alone. I like it on fish, you know. And I like it for lemonade. But again, I have to have sugar free. lemonade, and of course it's going to be a lot more sour than if it had sugar in it. Okay, and that goes for 7 minutes. So I'm going to turn it down so it can simmer. So 10 on there, 10. I just want to show you what I add to it before I pause the video. Again, matter of taste of how you like. I love garlic, so it's good for the heart. Just a little bit. You don't want to overpower the Alfredo. And this is my take. Okay, I do like making chicken Alfredo the way it's supposed to be made, but I have to do that like during fall season or winter season because yeah, it'll take too long. Now, next I like to put, I'm sure you know how the Texas toast comes out, even if I don't record it. Just a little bit of Parmesan cheese, preferably fresh shredded cheese of Parmesan, okay? Just for that extra kick of Italian taste. I'm not saying that Parmesan cheese, but yes, Parmesan, Parmigiano Reggiano is Italian cheese. And I do this now. I give it a shake, even though you are supposed to or not. And just a little few sprinkles. If you like that lemon taste right off, you go under it. And again, give it a stir. Oh, well, look, you were here to, this goes for 5 to 7 minutes. Ooh, nice and hot, right? So I always do it for 5 minutes. And what's the time on there? Oh, 12. So anyways, I'm gonna pause it. So BRB. So anyways, my dessert's gonna be 3 strawberries. Now, you just decapitate the little hair, or you can leave them on. I choose to take them off. Save this for compote, or somebody that does compote. And I just do it, down the middle and then crisscross it. Just so it looks like a little more. Well, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then I just have a stick it with a toothpick, and I have it like that. What's the time on there? 13. Okay. No, I don't have any mince, so no fancy smancy here. So my checks. Let's turn the oven off. Texas toast. There. And the star. Quick mock chicken Alfredo. Michael Finley style. Of course, I won't be able to eat it to show you, but that there. Okay, put the strawberries up. I get a fork, that would help. And again, you can sprinkle pepper on it if you like, but that's my dinner for tonight. Mock chicken Alfredo, Michael Finley style 101. Okay, thanks for watching. If you don't want to watch, if you don't want to subscribe, at least a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.